Hi everyone, hope you had a wonderful week. This is Victoria from crushcrypto.com and welcome to this week's market update on the crypto space. After failing to break $20,000 at the beginning of last week, Bitcoin dropped by 25% to around $14,700. It was definitely a very volatile week for the cryptocurrency. At one point, prices went to as low as $11,000. Meanwhile, Ether prices ended the week at $720, up 3%. Like Bitcoin, Ether prices were also very volatile this week, going up to as high as $860 and as low as $530 during the week. Bitcoin Cash surged 81% over the week as volumes increased over 200%. Bitcoin Cash has been gaining significant traction after being supported by Coinbase and probably part of the reason for the decline in Bitcoin prices this week. While there have been a lot of news flow around the correction in Bitcoin prices, other cryptocurrencies actually performed quite well, with Ripple, Dash, NEM, and Monero experiencing double-digit price increases over this week. Most of the major tokens continued to move up during the week. Tron moved up 43%, maintaining its position as the #2 largest token by market cap. Augur surged 76%, with average trading volumes up over 500% in the past week. Ardor increased 70%, and other top performers include Veritasium and Status, which went up by around 20% over the week. On to this week's developments in the crypto world. More regulations on cryptocurrencies are likely to be introduced in the US next year. According to the former chairman of the SEC, Harvey Pitt, the Commission will have some serious regulatory responses next year to crack down on suspicious cryptocurrencies. Earlier in the week, the SEC temporarily suspended trading in the shares of the crypto company. This over-the-counter stock has surged more than 2,700% in less than a month. According to a release from the SEC, regulators are concerned about potentially manipulative transactions in this company's stock in November. While exact details on what the new regulatory measures will be, it's likely to do with the regulating of ICOs and tokens that are considered securities, preventing frauds and scams, and taking action against insider trading and pump and dump schemes. In South Korea, the Korean Blockchain Industry Association announced that over 40 companies in South Korea will be participating in self-regulatory measures. This includes 14 crypto exchanges, including the 3 largest South Korean Bitcoin exchanges, Bithumb, CoinOne, and Corbit. The self-regulation includes plans to protect investor assets and to make the listing process of crypto products more transparent. One of the measures meant to protect investors includes keeping won deposits at financial institutions and keeping 70% of crypto holdings offline in cold storage. Another measure involves requiring face-to-face identity verification for all deposits and withdrawals. On to some non-regulatory news. According to Bloomberg, Goldman Sachs is setting up a cryptocurrency trading desk which may be up and running by the end of June next year or earlier. This would make Goldman Sachs the first of the large Wall Street investment banks to do this due to high client interest in cryptocurrencies. The company was already one of the few firms that have cleared the new Bitcoin futures being offered by CBOE Global Markets and CME Group. As Goldman Sachs is one of the largest firms on Wall Street, this latest development will further legitimize cryptocurrencies and help bring institutional investors into the market. The crypto exchange EtherDelta reported a cybersecurity breach on Wednesday that resulted in some client accounts being compromised. Hackers gained access to the DNS server and was able to replace the EtherDelta website with a fake one to steal funds. While the exchange has been gaining popularity because of its large selection of altcoins, it is still quite small in terms of volume. According to CoinMarketCap, the daily turnover is $11 million. After the hack on Wednesday, the daily turnover fell to $6 million. In comparison, some of the more popular exchanges process more than $3 billion worth of trades each day. This attack on EtherDelta is the latest in a string of breaches targeting crypto firms. Just last month, Tether lost more than $30 million worth of tokens after their systems were hacked, and earlier this month, NiceHash lost over $60 million worth of Bitcoin. 2 weeks ago, I talked about NiceHash, a leading cryptocurrency cloud mining service that was hacked and lost over 4,700 bitcoins. The company resumed its services earlier this week and reported that they will be reimbursing all the victims in full. NiceHash was able to reserve funds to restore balances from a group of international investors, and they stated that balances will be restored by the end of January next year. It is pretty impressive that the company was able to turn around so quickly. As long as they beef up security measures and prevent future attacks, they should be able to pay back the investment group that bailed them out pretty quickly. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check out our weekly report at crushcrypto.com for more information and links to other interesting articles and news from this week. Hope you are having a great day and a happy holiday season. See you again next week.